Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Kaveri and today we're going to dance on the song Chandigarh Mein from the movie Good News. This song was suggested to me by some of our viewers. This choreography is a bit different, a lot different from what I usually put on my channel. So I usually put more Sangeet oriented or typical Bollywood choreographies, but this one is very Western. I hope you like this one as well and I hope you'll be able to follow it. If you're new to my channel, this is just a step-by-step breakdown of my choreography on this song. If you would like to see the choreography first, I've put a link in the description box below. Do check that out and then come back here to learn the choreography step by step. I put two videos of one song on my channel. One with the choreography performed on the song so you get an idea of what you're going to learn, and one with a step-by-step breakdown of the choreography, that is the tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do so. It really motivates me to create many more videos for you guys. And click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. If you perform this choreography anywhere or post it anywhere, don't forget to tag me or share your videos with me. I would love to see them. Now let's get started. So we start with a head roll. You can just face forward and do that, or if you want to create a more powerful effect, I suggest you face back and then with a head roll you come to the front. Okay, you don't have to bend your knees or anything, you can just be comfortable, cross, spin. Okay, so what I like to do here is crossing my right leg and forward, and my head is going from my left down, right and center. So from here I go tha. It's a very short head roll. Okay, so just tha. So right after the head roll, we come forward, open the right leg, then left leg and right left. Okay, so I'm not really stepping on it, but I'm still stepping with my heel. So my toe stays there, but I'm just pressing on my toe to place my heel. Again, pressing on my toe to place my heel. Pressing on the toe to place the heel. Pressing on the toe to place the heel. Also, I am transferring my weight a little. So I'm not in the center. I am transferring my weight, taking my hip, my leg, my body just, rest of the body just flows. It just follows. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, after you've placed your left leg, that is on the fourth count, then you take your shoulder, right shoulder back. So imagine like there's a bullet passing from here. So that's the kind of reflex you have to have. So you go 1, 2, 1, 2. Hands, you can do anything, you can just place them here, you can do them opposite. Okay, hands are free to you, up to you, you can do anything with your hands here. Then we go, after the 4, we go bullet, so like a bullet, so we go back. So I'm bending my left knee and my right leg is still extended, and with that taking my right shoulder back, and I'm looking in that right corner, and 2 more rolls over there. Then we go in. So I am taking my knees in and my hands in and up. So you see I'm changing the direction here. I'm looking at right corner. I am sort of facing the right corner as well. And I go in. When I come up, now I am facing the left corner. And then I go ha, ha. So I am just, it's like you want to go forward but you can't. So with your chest, your hands come here, you go forward, forward. You can't, then you go in. So you take your chest forward, your head, your chest, everything is in one line, forward, your leg comes in and shoulder. Let's do it from the top till here once. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, you just do the next move very subtly. So you go in, out, and back. Look. So you go in. You're not placing it anywhere. It's just a fist. Here, in, out. So we go. तूने प्यार से पुकारा. Pukara is just a like you're saying what, like that. So like little movement with your head. तूने प्यार से पुकारा. Then your hand and leg go together. चली आई. So your hand goes back and you place it on your head. Your leg goes back and you just place it in one line. So तूने प्यार से पुकारा, चली आई. Weight is on my right leg now and my right leg is bent. Then there are a lot of tha. There are a lot of thas in the song. So we are taking a lot of thas. So make sure of that. So from here we go. तूने प्यार से पुकारा, चली आई था. On tha we are looking forward. जोड़ी तेरी मेरी. So from here, जोड़ी तेरी is just your left hand pointing forward. मेरी is you're transferring your weight on your left leg and you're coming forward with your right leg and right hand coming in. From here, जोड़ी तेरी मेरी लगे. लगे is just right hand and right leg. लगे, बड़ी, high, five, ha. So from here we go. Let's just see the legs first. Ha, ha. If you can lift the leg off the floor, that's fine. If you can't, that's fine as well. So you're just putting pressure with your hip. Ha, ha, ha. Okay. So going side, side, side. And I'm not just doing side, side. I'm actually doing it a little diagonal. So I'm actually forming an 8. So going diagonal, forming an 8 to go diagonal, 8 to go diagonal. And the hands go 1, 2, ha. 1, 2, ha. So we go तेरी मेरी लगे, बड़ी, high, 5, ha. Then you place your leg, if it's not already, on the floor, and we do make a U. Think of making a U with your chest. Okay, and we're really dropping down. So you can't just be here. Try to go as low as you can. So from here, drop and up. Then we do a chest in. Okay. So after the U, turn, and then we pop our chest out to do a sort of a wave. So we chest out, waving it in, chest, getting chest in, pelvis out, getting pelvis in, leg in, and we're here. And again, shoulder. Let's see that again. 7 and तूने प्यार से पुकारा चली आई आई हा जोड़ी तेरी मेरी लगे बड़ी हाई फाई हा. Then on music, ta 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 ta. Okay, so ta 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 is just the wave. Ta ta is your shoulder. From here, we go open our right leg again, and our right hand comes here. So right, we're looking at the right corner on our eye level. Then we face down, right, down. Then we change the direction and up. So from here, we go ha, 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 ha. So we're not doing anything in the legs, we're just moving with our, it's more like a robotic movement, okay? So just try to focus on your upper body. Ha, 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 ha. And then we go ha, ha. So it's just your hand and head. 1, 2. And the third one is a drop. So the third one is again tha. Let's see that again. From here, we go प्यार से पुकारा चली आई आई था जोड़ी तेरी मेरी लगे. So ha ha tha जोड़ी तेरी मेरी. This is pretty simple. You don't have to do much with your legs here. If you want, you can bring it in, but I suggest just keep it there and try to play with your upper body, your torso. So जोड़ी तेरी मेरी, just pointing forward, pointing to yourself. Then rounding your hand. So taking force with your hand. Lage. Along with your hand, your chest moves. So it's like a chest roll. So you go. So imagine like there's a string attached from your chest to your hand, and as you pull your hand, your chest gets pulled out. Okay. जोड़ी तेरी मेरी लगे बड़ी हाई फाई था. Okay, it's the same movement that we did. Ta ta, this was small. This is ha ha, bigger. High, fi. Okay, taking it with your hips, with your waist. Ta ta ta. If you can pick up your leg, pick up your leg. If you can't, it's fine. Your hand and your head, your hand and your leg go together. So ha ha ha, making like a diagonal. From here, you place your left leg and turn towards your left side. So just place your left leg there, cross with your right leg, look over your left shoulder. So tha tha tha, तूने किया जो इशारा. So you're just calling someone like this. तूने किया जो इशारा. Again, the same way you're coming back with your right leg. Ha. So we are dropping. Get your right leg back and you drop towards your right leg. So left hand drops towards the right leg bends. Ha. Okay, look down and then pull yourself up. So again, imagining like you're pulling something heavy up, and so your leg just comes there. Okay, pull and then make a round. So just like asking a question, your hands just go like that around your hip. So up, round, throw. This again, throw comes on tha. So down, up, your weight on your back leg now, that's your left leg, and your right leg goes on toe. So here and sit. Sit on your hip. From here, we again face forward. Let's just see the leg movements or the body movement first. Ha. So it's a very casual feel. So you don't have to be very like stiff with it. Just groove. Just groove. So just rock your body. Just do this movement. Okay. Along with that, we are doing right hand goes to the opposite side. In, left hand, in, shoulder, shoulder. Right hand in, left hand in, shoulder, shoulder. Okay, let's do that together. 5, 6 from tha. 5, 6, 7 and सारी की सारी तेरी जिद करूं पूरी, सारी की सारी तेरी जिद करूं पूरी. Keep this movement. Keep this movement. Okay, and when we are doing hand, we are just on the floor. Our legs are just on the floor. When we are doing this, our legs come slightly off the floor. If you can't get it off the floor, that's completely fine. Keep it on the floor. If you can, do that. So let's see that. 5, 6, 7 and सारी की सारी तेरी जिद करूं पूरी, सारी की सारी तेरी जिद करूं पूरी. Then your right hand, just take your 2 fingers, go up 2, 3, 4 and we walk back. Okay, doesn't matter which leg, just casually go back. Okay, then it says Dilade Ghar. In Dilade Ghar, you again just nodding. So just slight look down, look up. Soreya, Dilade Ghar, ta 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 ta. Move your head right left, right left, right left, right left, and your hand just casually drops. And our body shifts towards the right hand side. Easiest way to do that, just bend your leg. Now we're trying to form something like this here. So if you go to your maximum here, then you won't have enough diagonal to go to that side. So try not to go completely down in the first one. So from here, Dilade Ghar, ta 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 ta. Look over the shoulder and tha. Look over there. Then you go ta 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 ta. Look forward. Then we go Chandigarh mein ha. So our leg goes in, out, in, out. So use your feet to move here. Okay, don't just stick your feet and then try to move your knees. Please don't do that. Use your feet. Get your feet in, your heels in, feet in, heels in. Okay, or feet in, feet out, feet in, feet out, or toe in, toe out, toe in, toe out. So we go 1, 2. So our hands are just waving, cross, wave out, wave, cross, wave out with this leg. So we go Chandigarh mein up, 2. So when you're going up, you take the waist up and then drop. So your leg will come up, waist left side, waist up and drop. And your hands are just ha, ha. So we go in, out, ha, ha. In, up, out, ha, ha. In, out, ha, ha. In, out, ha, ha. So that's it for the choreography, guys. I I hope you were able to follow it well. It was very different from what I usually teach and what I usually put on my channel, but I hope you enjoy doing this one. It has a very different flavor, so just try to put in your style, your groove to it. It's pretty open in a lot of places where you can just put yourself out there and like just do your own thing. If you don't want to do a chest roll, just stay in you, just enjoy the music there. So that's completely fine. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do so. And now let's do this choreography from the top till the very end, slowly on counts and my singing, so you get an idea of which step comes where. 5, 6, 7, 8. Dun, 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 ha. Dun, 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 ha. हा तूने प्यार से बुलाया चली आई आई हा, जोड़ी तेरी मेरी लगे बड़ी हाई फाई हा, टा 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 हा, टा तूने प्यार से बुलाया चली आई आई हा, जोड़ी तेरी मेरी लगे हाई फाई हा, किया जो इशारा लग प्यारा तेरे नाल सोड़िया हा, सारी की सारी तेरी जिद करूं पूरी, सारी की सारी तेरी जिद करूं पूरी, हाँ कर दे सोनिया दिला दे घर घर दिला दो घर चंडीगढ़ टटरा तो घर चंडीगढ़ चंडीगढ़ में हाँ